video. Today I am gonna show you ERPNext. We just finished the deployment of the ERPNext. Okay. You can check the terminal what I have done so far. You can check I was get some error and I fixed it by debugging. Okay, you can see the things running here. It's running. Now let me show you here app. Okay, this is the ERPNext I deployed with SSL certificate. Okay, now let's try login. Okay, after login it's asked for some default configuration. Okay, let's this is Oman client, so let me set it Oman. Okay, currency next and name. Setup complete. You can see it's setting up system, installing persist, setting up company, setting defaults. Okay, after setup done, it's showing like this. Okay, here is so many things you can control. I deployed Acer and payroll. I also build Android application for this app. Android Studio, have to open. Studio View. You can see this one. This is a demo application of it. Let me run device. Let me run the project. npx x o run and we have client asked me to build application, this application for scan RFID. So when the application run and the customer have the mobile phone, okay, he can check the RFID. This is a very simple application which I built. client will click initialize, it will initialize the the scanner, and if client is start the scan, it will start the scanning. The actual device is not in with my computer, that's why you cannot see the actual action. If you want to build similar products, please knock me, I will help you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.